Hello my dear student. Dear student, first go watch previous class if you didn't watch yet, because after watching that class you will better understand this class. So let's start. Our topic is function. आज हमारा टॉपिक है फंक्शन. फंक्शन के बारे में बातें करेंगे. फंक्शन बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. So let's start. Look at here. This is set A. This is set A and this is set B. कोई प्रॉब्लम? No. And you know every set has some elements. Okay. So these are the elements of set A. 5, 6 and 7 are the elements of set A. Okay. And look at here. What are these? These are the elements of set B. Okay. ये जो elements है set B के element है. और मैं एक relation बनाना चाह रहा हूँ. तो मैं कहाँ से कहाँ जा रहा हूँ? मैं जा रहा हूँ from 5 to 8. Now I am going 6 to 9. Because I am setting a relation between the elements of set A and elements of set B. So we have to see, we are going from 7 to 10. Okay. So I will write the set, a relation set. R is a relation set and they are the relation elements. First, second and third. All these three are the elements of a relation set, that is R. And we are going from 5 to 8. That's why I write down 5 first and after that I write 8. In the same way 6 and 9, 7 and 10. Okay. अगर मैं 8 से 5 की ओर जाता तो मैं पहले 8 लिखता, पहले 9 लिखता और पहले 10 लिखता. And after that I will write 7. But I am going from 5 to 8, 6 to 9, 7 to 10. That's why I am writing 5, 6 and 7 at first place. Okay. ये हम पहले भी करते थे, वही मैंने अभी तक किया है. ओके. अब यहाँ पे देखो कुछ नया आने वाला. There is something new. What is this? ये क्या हुआ? ये क्या आ गया? हाँ, यही आया है, यही पढ़ना है. 8, 9, 10 are mirror images of 5, 6, 7 respectively. Once again, 8, 9, 10 are mirror images of 5, 6, 7 respectively. 8 is the mirror image of 5. 8 is the mirror image of 5. 9 is the mirror image of 6. Yes. 10 is the mirror image of 7. So you can see the second element is mirror image of first element. And what is first element? First element are 5, 6 and 7. So you understand that the second element will be the image of first element. Okay. This is our relation set and we came to know that the second element will be the mirror image of first element. Okay. My dear friend, can I denote all these elements of set A by X? Yes, I can denote. That's why I denoted by X. Now, can I denote all the elements of set B by A by Y? Yes, I can denote. My dear, you can see when I go from 5 to 8, I have to add 3. I have to add 3 in 5. Here you can see when I go 6 to 9, I have to add 3 in 6. Then I got 9. In the same way, if I add 3 to the 7, I get 10. So, क्या मैं इसको ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ y equal to x plus 3? Yes, I can write down. Because I will get y, that is the element of set B, by adding 3 to the element of set A, that is x. I will get y if I add 3 to the x. Okay. So you can see this is the function. This is the function by of x. By function है x का. And I write down like this. Okay. Now you can see if I put the value of x 5, if I put 5 in the place of x, I will get 8. If I put 6 as value of x, I will get 9. If I put value of x as 7, I will get 10. So you can see if I putting 5, I will get only 8. I will get only one mirror image. If I put 5, I will get only one mirror image for 5, that is 8. If I put 6, I will get only one mirror image, that is 9. If I put 7, then I will get only one mirror image, 10. So what you understand? that every element has only one mirror image. Yes, I am repeating myself. दिमाग में घुस जाना चाहिए. हर एक एलिमेंट का सिर्फ एक ही मिरर इमेज होता है. अगर मैं यहाँ पर 5 पुट करूँ तो मेरे को 8 ही मिलेगा, बाकी कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. यू विल गेट ओनली 9. सो yes, we got it. And what we got? We got every element of A, every element of set A must have one and only image in set B. Okay, are you getting my point? Every element of set A must have one and only image in set B. 5 की बस एक ही मिरर इमेज हो सकती है, तभी वो रिलेशन कहलाएगा, तभी वो फंक्शन कहलाएगा. 6 की सिर्फ एक ही मिरर इमेज हो सकती है एंड दैट इज़ 9, तभी ये फंक्शन होगा. ओके, सो नाउ लुक एट दिस एग्जांपल. दिस इज ए रिलेशन सेट, दिस इज ए रिलेशन सेट एंड मिरर इमेज ऑफ 5 इज 8 एंड मिरर इमेज ऑफ 6 इज 9 एंड मिरर इमेज ऑफ 7 इज 10. सो दिस इज ए फंक्शन. क्या ये फंक्शन है? हाँ. क्यों है? क्योंकि देयर इज ओनली सिंगल मिरर इमेज फॉर एवरी एलिमेंट. फॉर एवरी एलिमेंट देयर इज अ सिंगल मिरर इमेज. ओके, नाउ कम टू द सेकंड. दिस इज आल्सो ए रिलेशन सेट. रिलेशन सेट है. यहाँ पर देखते हैं. देयर इज ए मिरर इमेज ऑफ 2. 2 की मिरर इमेज है 2. और जब यहाँ तक सब ठीक था, लेकिन जब यहाँ पर आए, लुक एट देयर, 4 is also a mirror image of 2. One mirror image is 2 of 2. There is a second mirror image of 2. So this is not a function. Because here you can see there are 2 mirror images. There are 2 mirror images of this element. That's why it is not a function. The main point was that you have to understand that every element must have only one mirror image. This is the conclusion of today's class. So this was the most important concept of today's class, and after that there is nothing. Now we will discuss about the problems, and this class, this topic will be completed. I will discuss later. First you go study, watch it, understand this. एंड कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट करके बताइए आपको समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा. इफ़ यू विल नॉट टेल मी, हाउ विल आई गेट दैट यू आर गेटिंग माई पॉइंट और यू आर नॉट गेटिंग. सो प्लीज़ टेल मी इफ़ यू गेट इट इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. गो एंड कमेंट एंड टेल मी. सो फ्रॉम नाउ आई विल अपलोड क्लासेज एंड वी विल complete our whole syllabus till 28th of February, and after that I will revise. There will be 4 days before our exam of NTRO. I will revise each and every point. My dear, I am teaching you that all these points are very important, and first I want you to learn first. मैं ही चाहता हूँ आप एक बार इसको पढ़ लें, then I will discuss the numericals so that you can better understand. And don't worry about the syllabus. I will complete the whole syllabus. You need not to worry. Just watch the class and practice the questions. I will provide you the questions, and time to time I will come to you with the problems, and we will solve it. Okay, so let's meet in next class, and like the video. Okay, bye.